Time for makeup! Yay! Come here, like this. Right. Huh? Oh my gosh! Oops. Look at her! What a mess!
Well, for me, you look great.
What? No way! Aw, cute!
Wanna go out?
No way! Let's go. Snack time! Yum! I'm starving! Huh? Sharing? Sure, go ahead. You'll regret that! Oh no! You didn't leave any? That was tasty. Huh? I'm breaking out! Oh my. Oh no! I have a date with Steve! What now? Oh, got an idea! Whoa! What's that? Your new mask. Huh? Hold still. Alright, let's try. Start with the nose, like this. Good thing I can breathe. Relax, you'll be fine. Now the cheeks and eyes. Like this. Don't move. Perfect. Let's cover the chin. And mouth, too. Cool. Now time for makeup. Add some blush. Now the brows. And let's do the eyes. Lashes next. And those lips. Done! Actually, I kinda like it. Awesome! Date time! Well, let's do this. Hi, Steve.
Wow!
How are you?
You look amazing!
Aw, thanks.
Ready to go?
No makeup in class, young lady! What? Oh no!
Out! Kids these days.
Not fair. But I've got an idea. I'm back. Can I come in?
First, a quick check.
Okay.
How dare you fool me! I warned you! Say bye to your makeup!
No! You'll see.
Huh? Come back here! What a lucky day! What was that?
Must be nothing. Brilliant plan! Almost there. Whoa! Oh no! Oh! What happened?
Nice try.
Oh, you're mean.
What?
Oh, nothing. Now what? Oh, I got it. Just swipe some lipstick on my tongue. Like this. Done. It's me again.
Looks like you learned. Go on in.
Thanks.
I'm the best guard.
Phew, finally. Time for some lips. Huh? There. Pretty. No way! How did you sneak lipstick? Like this. Cool. Can I use it too? Sure. Let me show you how to rock these eyes. Steve will love it. Huh? So glad to see you.
Missed you too.
No way! Did you see that? Huh? He's flirting with her! Why did he do that? You messed up here. Oh no, it won't come off! Ah! Oh my gosh! Come here. Like this. Be quiet. Cover my mouth. Shh. Oh, check this mark. Whoa! I've got an idea! Hold still. Like that.
Wow, I gotta show Mom.
Nice! Now stick it on. Peel it off. And done! Wow, cool! Easy peasy. Let's do it right this time.
Wow, gorgeous. Hi, wanna date me?
In your dreams. That's how it's done.
How's it going?
I'm fine.
You look great.
Quiet in class! Uh-oh.
Talk later.
Maybe I'll write a note. There. Now a kiss mark. Mwah. Huh? That looks awful! Ugh. I'll use some lipstick. More on it. Oh yeah. Like that. Oops! That's bad. Oh no!
Hey. Huh?
It's fine, just messing around.
Oh. Shh. Ugh, this teacher.
Darn! What now? Help me! Huh? What happened to your lips? Try to do lipstick. Poor thing. But I know what to do. Just dab lipstick on the sponge. Done. Stop crying. Here. What's this? It's for lips. Really? Let's try. I think it worked. Looks amazing. Psst. Hey.
What? Whoa.
Catch.
Oh, lovely.
This is also for you.
Huh? Oh my gosh.
Oops. Maybe too much. Time to water the plants. Nice. Huh? Wow. Pretty bracelet. Cool. Can I wear it? This one? Nope. Oh yeah? Take this!
Oh, what are you doing? Stop!
Give it.
Hey, let go!
Uh-oh. What did you do? Sorry. I'll pick it up. It's not working. Guess I'll need tape. Fine. I give up. What? Hands off. This is how you pick up tiny stuff. What a waste. Wait! What? Don't throw it! Why? You can still wear it. How? Look! Like this, see? Not bad. Love the sparkle. Wow! Amazing! Told ya! I've got an idea. Let's put the tape here. And stick on some flowers. Like that. Done! Wow! Cool! Now we both have awesome bracelets! No way! This is hilarious! Look! Aww. What's up? Hello? Not now. Huh? What are you looking at? You like him? Look at him. He's dreamy. Aww. Nice! I'm so happy for you! Let's switch seats. Why? Go talk to him. No. Oh my. Then write a note. Okay. Done. You sure about this? Huh? Let's try again. Ignoring me, huh? Oh, he doesn't care! Relax. Let's take off the glasses. Now go talk to him. Hi. Can you hear me? You okay? Are you asleep? Huh? You jerk!
Huh? What's going on?
Oh, hey.
What do you want?
Wanna go out with me?
Nope. I only date girls with cool tattoos like these.
Huh? But I don't have any. Wait. No problem. We'll make some. What? No! I hate needles! Fine. Wait here. I need stamps.
What you got for me?
Fine. Here.
Nice doing business with you.
Great. Ready for your tattoos? Don't move. Oh, yeah. Let's add here and here. Done. Wow, cool! Now a bandana. And a leather jacket. How do I look? Awesome!
Let's test it.
Hey!
Whoa! Cool tats! And that look? Oh yeah! Looking good. Wanna go out?
Finally. I just need a makeup touch-up. My eyebrows could be better. Luckily, I have my eyebrow pencil. Oh no! I need to get to class! I can't be late again! Hi! How are you? Oh my gosh! You need to see Gabby! What's her problem? Oops! Careful! My books! It's okay. I'll help you. Here you go.
Ah! Run away!
Okay, that was weird. Do I have something between my teeth? I guess not.
Hey everyone! Check this out! Whoa!
It's like two caterpillars are living on your face.
That's a little harsh. Sorry. I think this is the wrong class.
Settle down. The show's over.
Where's Gabby? There you are. Hurry. I'm so sorry. You'll never believe what happened. That's an interesting look. You need to see this. No way! My eyebrows are huge! Let me help. Draw a zigzag on your eyebrow. Then draw an outline of your eyebrow. You can start to fill it in. It gives the impression of fuller brows. Now, use an eyebrow brush to smooth out the hairs. It also keeps them in place. There. That's much better. What do you think? I look normal! Wow! Thanks! Don't look at me. Looks like someone needs our help. I've got this. Huh? Can't be that hard. It's only lipstick. Just go nice and slow. How do people make this look so easy? This is not going well. It's pointless. Perfect lips as always. Wow, she looks so good. I think I need some advice. Hi, Gabby. You have a little something on your face. Take this. Thanks. Lipstick is not difficult. Watch this. Take your favorite shade. Then draw a line straight down the center of your lips. Then smack your lips together. You're kidding, right? Trust me. Admit it. You're impressed. Wow, that's amazing! Wish me luck! Draw a line. Then smack my lips together. That's it! This is fun! Wow, it worked! Great job! Oh my gosh, is Mowgli actually gonna leave the jungle? No way! He totally is! Oh my gosh! I don't know how I feel about this. Happy and sad? I need something to drink. Wow, what a great book. Wait, why does my face feel funny? Oh, my skin is totally broken out! I look like a pizza face! Oh, no way am I gonna let this stand. I've gotta do something. Time to start popping! Huh? What's going on? I feel a disturbance in skincare. Ah! What are you doing? Stop! No! Don't pop them! That'll just make things worse! Well, good thing you're friends with me because I got you. What are those and what am I supposed to do with them? Did you just put a sticker on my face? I sure did. It's got acne treatment medication. It'll help with your whiteheads. Trust me on this. Here, let's put them on all your problem spots. Are you serious? You want to put stickers all over my skin? Yep, we're gonna get your skin all cleared up. I feel like I'm a kid's activity book or something. Okay, good. Now I can take them off, right? No, no, no. You have to leave them on for like 4 hours. 4 hours? Seriously? The printers are on strike. Hey, wake up! You've only got a few seconds left on your timer. Alright, let's take them off. There's the first one, and it's already looking good. You're gonna be so shocked and surprised by these results. Yes! I was totally right! Pass over the mirror so I can see! Wow! No way! Look at how much better my complexion is! Yay! Wait, what are you doing? No wonder your face keeps breaking out like that. Want to change your hair color but don't want to go to a salon? I've got you covered. Spray hair dye onto a brush. Then run the brush through your hair. The dye will transfer to your hair. Just like this. Wow. And you can use different colors. It's so simple. But it looks great. There's no need for expensive treatments. I love it. You see this? Read it! Don't worry. I'm here. My car ran out of gas. She's so beautiful. I'm gonna do it. Hi there. Ugh. What? Oh, nothing. Ew! Do you ever brush your teeth? That was so embarrassing. What happened? These happened. Oh, that's bad. Ugh. Wait a minute. I have an idea. Have some wax paper? Cut out a square like this. Then squeeze out some toothpaste. Now for the baking soda. Just a good sprinkle is good. Use your finger to smash the paste down. Then put it onto your teeth like this. Don't forget to tuck the bottom. And now, we wait. Let's take these puppies off. Hello, pearly whites. This seat free. Now's my chance. I'll shoot her a smile. Your teeth are like diamonds! The true way to a woman's heart.